How interesting. I've never seen anything like this before.
And I know it's the right time. Can't envision nothing else. I need you right now. Need you when I feel down.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So as you guys know, on Saturdays we do PR unboxings where I get to show you guys all the new launches for the week. Super fun. Comment down below what you are most excited for. Also give the video a thumbs up and make sure you tune in for Tuesday's video, which is going to be my chit chat get ready with me that I was gonna put up a while ago, but then I was too scared to look at the footage. And then I realized that I actually liked it. So that's going up on Tuesday. So if you're ready for a makeup video, it's that one. So that will be up on next Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get into the PR unboxing. Okay, so first off, we have a package from Makeup Revolution and they send over their color correcting skin base. Look at this. So this one is in the green. So this is going to color correct like any redness. And you know what it kind of reminds me of actually? It reminds me of the kind of skin base from Bobbi Brown. That's what I'm like getting vibes, but that one doesn't do color correcting, but I don't know why. I'm just getting that like vibe from it. This is what it looks like right here. And let's take a look at the product inside because this one will be interesting. Ooh, this will be really interesting to try out. This is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used this. It's got a more tacky consistency, so actually, no, it does not remind me of the Bobbi Brown one. The Bobbi Brown one is like a moisturizer, but this is like a little bit more of a tacky feel. And then it's supposed to just kind of neutralize any redness that you may have. It does still have a little tacky once you rub it in too, so maybe that will really help grip the foundation. So this will be interesting to try out. It definitely smoothed out all my little fine lines in my palm of my hand, which you're not going to see on camera, but in person, it kind of blurred out all those little fine lines and those hair follicle holes that you have in your hand. I'm interested to see how this is going to apply and wear and stuff. We'll see. I'm not having the highest hopes for this, but I don't know. If you've used it before and you like it, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so next up is this package right here. It says, Baby Light My Fire, Health by Habit. Oh. The pleasure is all yours. So this is a Health by Habit pill for libido. And it's Baby Light My Fire. It has vitamins E and B6 in it, which B6 makes you happy. Like, that just makes you happy. And then with a natural aphrodisiac blend, supports energy and performance. This is so interesting. So interesting, you guys. Objects in the mirror may be incredibly hot. Oh, that's cute. That's cute how they did that. And then we have this little thing back here. It says, hey, hot stuff. Oh, you can get this at Target. Oh, how cute. They have like little cards here that you can do with your significant other. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is a Target. So it says here, take 2 capsules daily for best results. Consume recommended serving consecutive for 30 days. Huh, suitable for all genders. So this works for all genders. So guy, girl, anyone, you can take this, you can try this. That's going to be interesting. This is cool. All right, libido, Baby Light My Fire. So thank you for sending this over, Health by Habit. Maybe we'll give it a try. Okay, so next up we have a package from Sigma. And I feel like Sigma came out with a lot of awesome launches this year out of everything that I've seen. I definitely think Sigma has been killing it. And they send over the Infinity Point lipsticks enriched with jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and vitamin E. These are already available for you guys to shop at sigmabeauty.com. And they are $28 each, and they came out with new shades. So they originally had Deja Vu, Ecstasy, and Temptation. Now they came out with Peach Tea, Scarlet, Red Velvet, and New Mod. So you guys can take a look at it right here. I remember when they first came out with the lipsticks too. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and grab some of these shades. So this is Peach Tea right here. So this is one of their newer ones. And by the way, I love their packaging. It's so cool. So this is Peach Tea. Oh, this is a beautiful shade. Look at this one. Look at that. That is really, that's really pretty. I'm putting this on my lips. I love the formula too because it's like I would say it's like a comfort matte finish. Like it's not matte, but it's got the staying, like it feels like it has that staying powder because of the thickness of it. It's like, you feel like you got some good opacity and it feels like it's going to last on your lips, and it's a really, really pretty color too. So I love that. We also have New Mod here, which is more of a mauve. Oh my God. Look at New Mod, you guys. That is like my go-to shade right there. We're just gonna layer my lips. This is probably like my favorite shade right here is definitely New Mod. That is really, really pretty. I love like, you know, those like mauve shades are so pretty. Then we have Red Velvet, and Red Velvet is a little bit more of a brown, like a reddish brown, as you guys can see right there. I like that. That one's like actually like a reddish. That's like a reddish. It's got a little bit of red tones into it, but it also has some purple tones into it. So that's actually a really pretty color. Scarlet is more of our red, which will be perfect for the holiday season. It's like an oxblood red right there. I like it how muted these ones are. I feel like these are like just great. Like, you know, you've got more of a bolder lip, but it's still more on the safer side. Then we have Temptation, which has already been out before. And oh, Temptation also is another beautiful one right here. Oh my gosh, look at Temptation. And then we have another red. This is Ecstasy. So this is going to be more of our true red. Actually, this will be more of our Christmas red right here. Our classic red. So that is awesome. Thank you so much, Sigma, for sending these over. I love the new shades that you came out with. The formula feels amazing. It's hydrating formula, but it feels like it stays put and it doesn't feather out on you. So they killed it. I definitely recommend checking these out. I think I have a code with them or a link. It might be like 10% off. I'll find it down below for you guys. But definitely check it out, and I definitely recommend checking out New Mod, that shade. That one is gorgeous. Okay, so next up from Skin Proud, we got a package here, and this one contains their Skin Proud Frozen Over. This is a gel to ice hydrator, so triple action hyaluronic moisturizer. So this is probably going to be actually really good. Like when you see a gel, it's usually really good for people who have oily skin. And then the other thing that we have is this Icicle Cooling Serum Stick. Ooh. That actually sounds really good. By the way, you can get these at Walmart, you guys. We're gonna open this thing up. This reminds me a lot of Tula. You know how they have that like cooling eye like stick thingy? I love that thing. This is exactly reminds me of this. So this is clear right here. Ooh, it feels good. Doesn't really have a scent to it, which is totally fine, which is good. It's underneath your eyes, but it actually feels really, really cooling and hydrating. So that's gonna be nice. That would be actually really nice to put underneath your eyes. So can't wait to try that out. Really awesome to see that. So thank you so much, Skin Proud, for sending those new products over. Okay, so Milani sent over some products here, and we have their Conceal and Perfect Facelift Collection. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so we got a color wheel in here. This is what it looks like, but some of the things popped out, but I have them in my hands. So this is the Conceal Perfect Facelift Collection. So we have step 1. So they've got their under eye brightener here, where you got like different shades that will help brighten. We have Rose, which is this one, which is more of a pinker. Then we've got Melon. And then there's Pumpkin for color correcting. I think this one's Pumpkin. Yeah, this is Pumpkin right here for color correcting. Also here is also Nectar. So those orange, it's gonna help color correct. Then we go into the liquid contour here, which is super exciting. I cannot wait to try these out. I think these are gonna be so much fun. These kind of remind me, like with that spongy applicator that they have, they remind me of that little, what's that one? You know the little concealer that comes in like a bigger applicator like this that's more tubey like this one? What is that one? Is that, I want to say Maybelline? The one that you can like, that is like huge. It was like huge on YouTube for years. I'm like blinking so bad on this. But that's what these remind me of. And then we have liquid highlight. So they give you everything in here. So these are the liquid highlighters right here. Super pretty. We've got like bronzy shades, gold shades. Definitely I'm gonna go with like 01 Lunar, which is gorgeous for me. But yeah, just really beautiful bronze shades. And then we also have a translucent blur out powder here to set the face, which this one actually is nice because it has a little bit of a tint to it. So this is kind of reminds me of like a banana powder where it's really going to brighten underneath the eyes. So definitely got to try these out. I'm super stoked about these. Thank you, Milani. I definitely want to try out some type of liquid contour anyways, so I'm excited to give these ones a go. Okay, so Think hooked it up with more products. We love Think. We have some more sunscreen, and then we love the face sunscreen. Also love the body wash and the shampoo as well. And then we've got the little travel tubes, which are also great, so love that. I know I just put some away too, so I'm going to be using these for when I go to Florida. I should probably do definitely a pack with me. I'm trying to get life a little organized. I'm trying to get life organized. I just found one of the girls' microphones in here, and I'm like, what were they doing in here? So anyways, I definitely want to get life more organized and try to get content more planned out. It's just hard when you're like literally running all around dealing with everything, but anyways, definitely want to do a pack with me. These things are awesome, so thank you so much, Think, for sending these over. So L'Oreal sent over these products right here. Let me know if you've ever used this stuff, you guys. I love hearing from you guys to see like what your thoughts are on it. But they send over their Midnight Serum and Midnight Cream. I've never seen this before. It has 5-star reviews with over 3,900 reviews to it. And basically what we have here is a midnight serum. So you apply 3 to 4 drops to clean, dry skin every AM and PM before you do the moisturizer. And that sound is the trash truck outside. I don't know if my mic is picking it up. But then they also send over the midnight cream, and this is, you smooth over your face and neck every morning and night after you do the serum. So what this is going to do, it's going to reveal more firmer, smoother, more radiant skin. It's going to help it's going to smooth out those wrinkles, give you 24 hours of hydration, up to 1.5 times faster skin barrier recovery. So this is definitely something I got to give a try out to. And I have to give it to them, you guys. Look how luxurious they made this packaging. It's so pretty. They did such a great job with this. So I can't wait to try out and see how the products are and how they work for my skin. So again, if you guys have tried out these before, let me know what you think. Okay, so next up came from my friend Lauren. So Lauren, I went to high school with, and she reached out to me because she started her own business. She has a brand. It's called Rice & Co. So definitely check her out, you guys. I will have her link down below. And basically she's created this site to create ways to get plastic alternatives to help, you know, bring down the waste in the world, which I think is absolutely amazing. And she is so sweet. So she sent me a few products, you guys. So we have here, we have a reusable organic mesh bag right here, which actually be really, really good for picking up produce from the store. I love that. And then we have the Zero Waste Club. So this is bamboo toothbrushes. How cute. I think this one right here is for kids. I'm going to open it up so you guys can take a look at the products. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the little pink handle to it too. So we'll give this one, Kinsley actually needs a new toothbrush really bad. So I will give this one to her tonight for her to use. And then this is the more adult one, I would say, because this one's bigger. This is what this one looks like. I just love it. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. So we got that one. She sent over the Bees Wrap, reusable food storage. Oh, store, rinse, and reuse. These are snack and sandwich bags. How cool. So take a look. Oh, I love that. The reusable plant-based alternative to plastic and silicone bags. You know how we see the silicone stashers everywhere? So this is like an alternative to that. It's made with organic cotton, organic coconut oil, tree resin, and plant-based wax. Contains soy. So let me show this to you guys. Oh my God, these are so cool. So this is what it looks like right here. And there's 2 of them in here, so you can kind of see. So you got the little snack wrap, and then you just fold it over. and boom, you close it up. That is so cool. Oh my God, I love that. So we got the beads wrap. Last but not least, oh wait, no, we got some other things too. I just found 2 things wrapped up. This is the little section plate for the kids in nice stainless steel right here to serve food on, which is great. It says, thank you for purchasing Dalsini Stainless, an award-winning Canadian company proudly creating healthy, sustainable housewares. So that is awesome right here. So we've got that for the kiddos. The trash cans are just taking forever outside. Okay, so we have floss here from Bite. So it's plastic free, made with you and the planet in mind. So we've got the floss. And then we have the Bite. So these place 1 bit in your mouth, bite down, and brush with a wet toothbrush twice a day, every day. So this is actually toothpaste right here. How interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. This is so cool. Can't wait to try this out. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this before, but I think that is so neat. All right, so last but not least here, we have a blow drying brush from Koki Cosmetics. Love these. These are so much fun, and they literally give you the best blowout. I've never tried the one from Koki, but I've tried the other one. Forgot what the brand was called. I don't think it was, God, what was it? Revlon? I think it might have been Revlon. It was red. But awesome. I love it. So I'm excited to try this one out. This looks so cool. Volume and Shine, a blowout brush. Salon Perfect Finish. Oh yeah, I'm like so stoked. So maybe we could do a video of doing this. I'm planning out a bunch of content, probably most likely tonight, because we were filming the podcast all morning, so I literally only have a small amount of time to work on my computer before I have to go get Riley from school. But I'm going to start planning out a lot more content of what to create for Instagram and what to create for YouTube, and like start piling it up. And I'm going to get back more into the makeup, and I know you guys are missing that. So we're going to get back into more of the makeup, do some baby and mommy stuff, because I still have a lot of mommies and that follow me that really appreciate that stuff too. So we're gonna be mixing it all together, and I'm excited. So I'm working out a whole schedule. Like Ross is even gonna be working with me and creating a schedule of each week of how much time to put to filming and how much time to put to computer work and all that stuff. So I'm like, it's a lot. And then I'm gonna be working a lot at night. So it's just gonna be ramping it up again and getting back into the flow of that grind. But anyways, that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I love you, and I will see you guys all in my Tuesday video, which is going to be a get ready with me. So definitely check it out. I love you, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.